how to refund Foodpanda canceled order. Hello everyone. In this video, we will show you how to refund Foodpanda canceled order. Firstly, open the Foodpanda app on your mobile phone. Make sure to log into your account on Foodpanda. Now, confirm your location again. Tap on food delivery and choose any of your favorite restaurants. Tap on the restaurant and choose any of the dishes you want to order. Now tap on the food and add it to your cart. Confirm your payment and address by choosing your payment method. By confirming your location and address, you have to place your order. You can cancel your order by tapping on the Help button. Choose the option, Can I cancel my order? And give the reason for canceling your order. Now confirm that and it will cancel your order. If you want to refund your canceled order, you have to tap on the Help option again. It will ask you, How can we help? Search for refund on the given search bar. Now, tap on the option, I haven't received my refund. Type your order number or transaction number along with your payment method. Now start chatting with the support team and it will refund your canceled order. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.